Hello everybody, today I'm going to show you guys how to replace the outer tie rod on 2002 Mercedes ML500. The tie rod looks so bad on that side, so let me show you the part that I got it. I already called to the dealership for the tie rods, but they said the outer tie rod for that year they already continue, so I decided to use the Moog brand name. So it's a part number, and here is a ME-ES0978, and it's all the tool that we needed for the tie rod remover and the ring number 22 millimeter and number 15 and the hammer. That's all we needed, and the torch if we need. Okay, let's get it started, guys. So I can heat up a little bit with the nuts because they use a Loctite. Okay, and don't forget to crack loose the tie rod lock nut in here. Okay, it's number 22 millimeter. Let me spray W40 a little bit, guys. 1 second. I already sprayed this morning, but I'm gonna spray a little bit more to make it loop. It's easy to come out. Yeah, crack loose. Loose it all the way, okay? And you see the just here we need number 15 millimeter for the alignment, but we still need it to hold the inner tie rod in place when we remove the outer tie rod. Okay, so next step, remove the nuts out. Spray it. So what number is it? This one, I think number 22 millimeter socket. You see the tie rod remove tool. I bought it. Used this one like $10 something. It's cheap, not really expensive, but it works. Hello. So next step is time to remove the outer tie rod. So you just count it, okay? Count like how many rounds you count it out and put it back in the same spot, and after you have to bring the car to do the wheel alignment, okay? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24 25 25 round, guy. So you see the tie rod, it looks like very badly. Okay, I'm gonna put it on the side, and it's a brand new outer tie rod. So before you guys install it, don't forget to spray some W40 and count it back in. So 25 round. 1 2 3 4 Alright, so it's good to go. Okay, and let me show you this one. It cannot see clearly to lock it. Okay. Okay, perfect. But anyway, okay, don't forget after you replace it, you have to do wheel alignment. Okay, we don't want it ruin the tire. So let me see the new bolt. What number? Or 21. It is a number of 21mm socket. Okay. So one go, huh? Okay. One go. The hell. Lock now. We use let me see what is that, the hex stick way to hold the center nut in place. Almost done. Okay. Tight. Yeah, it's all set now. Yeah, that's all, guys. It is how to remove and install a auto tie rod. It's a very simple tip, and you can try it at home if you want to save some money. But don't forget, okay, after replace the new tie rod, wheel alignment need to be done. All right. Okay, thank you so much for watching my video. If you guys have any questions, just let me know, and I'm happy for give you more detail on it. Okay, if you want any. Thank you.